So I had ordered. I've been wanting makeup for a while, and we ordered some Ipsy, which is, as far as I don't know what all I'm doing with this. This is just a blind opening of what I got. So. Here's the original package, and that'll be easy, but okay. Still not easy even with that. Got something.
20 minutes later. Later that same evening. Eight hours later.
I'm just gonna see if I can try. I gave up. And here's the little baggie that it comes in. And I think from what they'd said on the app website thingy, you can color this because of the black and white. The first item is the brush. I think they said this was supposed to be a blush brush. It's very sparkly.
Sparkles!
Yeah, all the sparkles. It's pink and purple. I like that. And markers. Drop it. This is the Tin Fairy. It's the lip gloss. It's that lip gloss. It's like, I guess it's Tin Fairy, whatever. Okay. That should be pretty. It's like a very dark peach, I guess. And then there's the balm. The lip balm. There's the Glossier coconut balm. And there's the eyeshadow. Goddess Gold. It's like most of these are sample size. So you can, but that'll be fun to use. And tiny eyeliner. Is the eyeliner. And what is this? This is a little card. That's it. Yep, that's it. So we got the brush, some lip balm, lip gloss, eyeshadow, and eyeliner. And of course the little markers. So like, of course, I have never used makeup before, so I'm not at all prepared for any of this. But except we have brushes. How?
Later. 6.5 hours later.
Try not to stab myself. I feel like a 5-year-old using scissors for the first time.
3,000 years later.
mermaid brushes. Oh, it doesn't come with a list. I don't know what any of these are. Except for the foundation brush. That's cute. Okay, that's actually really nice. They actually have them back. They have them individually packaged so they don't get messed up. Because I think they could still get messed up for themselves. Yeah, I have like no idea what any of these are except for this one. This is a foundation brush. Like, they're all basically the same. They have they're pretty blue and purple with the mermaid tail. So I gotta find out what these are and figure out what I use with them. I'll probably end up. That's a blusher. I'll have to find out what the eyeshadow one is. That's about it, honestly, from what I got. But that's it. That's what I got from. I'm gonna use this to start with makeup. Start using a bit of makeup now. 16, and I'm using my first makeup. Yay! Yeah. So that's about it. Bye.